If you want to lose weight or you are diabetic and you decide I will never eat ice cream from now on, even then you won't be able to resist for long. Today we will make an ice cream that is free from sugar and fattening starch. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma and the ice cream that you get from the market is actually not ice cream at all. In fact, these so-called quote-unquote ice creams are now called frozen desserts. Most ice creams are made with vegetable oil, not cream. In addition to this, they have a lot of sugar by different names. In addition to sugars, it also has wheat flour. These ingredients are harmful for any person, but for a diabetic or for one who is wanting to lose weight, these are really toxic. So to make a healthy alternative, all you need is put some cream in a blender. You can also use coconut milk if you want. If you are using canned, make sure it is BPA free, or you can make it at home also. I have taught that. Next, add some peanut butter, but beware, okay? The usual peanut butters in the market are full of hydrogenated oils, okay, vegetable oils. We don't need that. We need healthy peanut butters like this. The ingredients should say only like peanuts and other healthy ingredients and no sugars at all. Instead of white processed sugar, we will add the sweetener of our choice. I am adding molasses because molasses are rich in antioxidants. If you are making it for kids, you can use honey or date sugar, and if you are a diabetic or you want to lose weight, you can use stevia extract, any sweetener you like. In addition to this, you should add some vanilla essence, mix it well and put it in the freezer for about 3 hours. When you take it out after 3 hours, it will not be fully frozen. At this time, you should give it a good mix again, and once you have aerated it enough, now you can pour it out into your ice cream container. Now you can put your ice cream container as it is in the freezer, or you can put some nuts. Like I want to make my peanut butter ice cream into a Rocky Road ice cream, so I added some nuts. That is completely optional. Now put it in the freezer and freeze it till it is thoroughly frozen, like about for 3 to 4 hours. And your ice cream is ready. Scoop out huge scoopfuls for yourself and for your loved ones. In addition to being free of processed oils and processed sugars, the best part is you can customize your ice cream. If you want it dairy free, go with coconut milk or coconut cream. And if you have no problem with dairy, you can use any thick cream. I have taught to make many wonderful dishes with this ice cream. I have made Falooda. To watch all these recipes, you have to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it, so you get immediate notification of all the wonderful recipes that I upload. Anyhow, in the comment section below, do tell me how did you customize this ice cream? What sweetener did you use and what cream did you use? Take care, stay happy till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.